How to view your wish list on AliExpress. Are you guys facing issues to view your wish list on AliExpress website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, now search for AliExpress website. After you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options. Just simply tap on wish list. After you click on wish list, your product will be shown, and that's it guys. That's how you're gonna view your wish list on AliExpress. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. And if you guys have any issues regarding AliExpress website, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.